Good day, Miss Malian. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, good day. I'm Georgia May Malihan, 33 years old from Marilao, Bulacan. I have a live-in partner with one daughter. She is 12 years old, turning 13 this coming March.
Okay, thank you. How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
We have 5.
What is your order in the family, ma'am?
I am third siblings.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background, ma'am.
High school. I am high school graduate also.
Please state the reason why you didn't attend college, ma'am.
Because of my financial problem.
Okay, thank you. Do you have any work experience abroad, ma'am?
No, this is my first time to apply abroad.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, trustworthy, and I can work under pressure.
Do you have any tattoos, ma'am?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
For my family and for good future to my daughter.
Okay. Are you scared of cats and dogs?
No,
Can you give us an idea on how would you handle a naughty child or a child with tantrums?
I always sure their safety and calm down, and I can be more patient.
Okay. Can you sing us a nursery song, ma'am?
Yes.
Please proceed.
Baba black sheep happy anyway. Yes sir, yes sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. What is your message to your future employer?
Hi to my future employee. If you're choosing me, I make sure you're the safety of your family. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am.